Can't bloody reach it. Get a stick. Come on, fella. Come on down. Oh, for fuck's sake. Right. Oi. There you go. I'm so sorry. Such a beautiful creature. I don't even know what type that is. Sorry, I seem to be choking it. What is that? Is that like some kind of bird of prey? It's brown and black stripy feathers. Ah. Hello, my name's Bob. I suppose I'm not going to bury it because that would be human of me. We bury everything. Whereas out in the wild, nothing gets buried. You don't see birds burying other birds. You don't see dogs burying dogs. You just see other animals utilizing that moment. Right. And eating them. That's real nature, right? So I'm just gonna stick him somewhere where something might want it. Yeah, like a cow. All right, Baz. Found the culprit that was shitting on you. Might not have been him, but it makes you feel better. Yeah, it was definitely him. It was definitely this little fucker that did it. So I don't know, where do you place it? 'Cause he's pretty camouflaged if I put him over there. But if I just pop him down here. Sorry, mate. There you go. Someone might come along and take him. Plenty of coyotes and wild things out here, so otherwise it's a waste, isn't it? A waste of something beautiful. Just, I don't know when we humans started burying things, but the rest of the planet eats them, don't they, really? Didn't even know you had to say a few words. I'm sure you were great. Obviously crap at flying because you flew into something, but you're probably a great dad to some other birds, ospreys, whatever you are. And thanks for shitting on the bus. That's all I can say. Cheers.